In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add attribute to block in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed your blocks to carry editable information like room names, door numbers, or equipment IDs, attributes are the way to do it. They let your block ask for information when you place it. And they keep that data attached so it can be scheduled or extracted later. Start by locating an instance of the block in your drawing. Then click it and choose Block Editor. This opens a special editing environment where you modify the block definition itself, not just one copy. You'll see the block's geometry isolated, which makes it easy to add and position the attribute exactly where you want it. Now define the attribute. Type ATTDEF on the command line and press Enter to open the Attribute Definition dialog box. This is where you set up what the attribute is called, what it will ask the user, and how it will behave. In the tag field, give the attribute a clear, no spaces name. Something like room name works well. The tag is the internal identifier used by AutoCAD and by data extraction tools, so keep it concise and consistent. In the prompt field, type the question you want shown to users when they insert the block. For example, enter room name. As most instances will share the same starting value. You can set that in the default field. Users can still change it at insertion time. For modes, choose how the attribute should display and behave. Invisible keeps the value from appearing on the drawing while still storing it in the block's data. Constant uses the default for all insertions and does not prompt the user, which is useful for fixed labels. Locked keeps the attribute's position from being moved accidentally inside the block. Click OK. Then place the attribute in the block editor where it makes the most sense. Use object snaps to align it with your geometry and leave enough space for longer values, so text won't overlap other elements. You can adjust its text style, height, or justification if needed before finalizing the placement. When you are satisfied, close the block editor and save your changes. To push the new attribute to every existing copy of that block in the drawing, run the AT-sync command. Select any instance of the block when prompted, and choose Yes to update all instances. This synchronizes the block definition, so each placed block now contains the attribute. Going forward, new insertions will prompt using your defined settings. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.